yokuqala kwicase kaVusimuzi Cat Matlala ibitheke istand namhlanje nge-21st kaJuly 2026. Hey indezi into bandiqonda mahe ithini nalanto bafethu siphe umfanekiso ngqondweni. Usithatha usijula kulamhla kuduyulwa Oprah Joe Sibanyoni. Usithatha usibeka yena phi kwi-crime scene usipha umfanekiso ngqondweni. Usixelela ngendlela okwangena ngakhona imoto ezithu. Yabona ukuthi xa sithi iFerrari ered ndathi ya. Hayi ngobhuti abadala madoda. Uthi kungena iFerrari ered kwiGolf Estate. Le ndawo apho kwathi kwaduyulwana khona. Xa kungena le Ferrari ered ilandelwa yiGolf qheshe sexa bethetha benye interpreter khona omnye ozathi Golf 7 kube khona ozathi Golf R but nje kungena lo Golf emhlophe ziyalandelana. Uthi ayakubangakudala ligqiba kungena kulandela iBMW emhlophe. Xa kathetha ngeBMW emhlophe andifuni ilahleke. Seke khona ngaphambili obeseke ethethile ngento ba kuneBMW okubonakala ingathi i-ex girlfriend kaVusimuzi Cat Matlala ikhona pho implicator khona istory esunokwenza neBMW emhlophe eke yayogcinwa kwakhe yathi zabuya nje ngeso istory. But kulandela iBMW. Hayi mani, umfana wakacela uBethwel cele lo security guard se Bidvest. Uthi ingene le ize ibethi U10. I think ayigqiba kujika ikwenza iU10. Hayi ithi nhla naba bantu ayibafunayo which is ngoBra Joe Sibanyoni ezikulu. Uthi hayi bafowethu, uthi ke ezibengena bababone bona. Xa bebabona, he bafethu, uthi zichwisba. Hayi uthi zichwisba. Uthi ke ngoku ukhona kanaye apha ngumazibuko. Uthi avakala umazibuko esithi hayi ndoda ngeke sife uphethe isibhamu. Asikwazi ukufa uphethe isibhamu. Uthi asikhiphe madoda. Thetha ngayo ucela. Uthi asikhiphe. Uthi asikhokhe. Yabona uthi xa sithi asikhokhe, ndava utranslator naye sithi and then I cocked it. Ndathi hayibo uyakhokha nje asikhokhe. Uxa begqibile uthi wasidedela madoda. Uthi wasidedela, uthi wazitsho into beziya about 5. Uthi xa kazitsho, uthi phofu xa sikazitsho nje yena ngexesha usebefocuse ingathi apha kwiGolf sebedubula iGolf abafana aba bazodubula. Hayi uthi yena uthi hayozi uthi asidedele zitsho kubo. Uthi babe ngathi bathi uthi futhi uthi seyesuka ehamba ke ngoba sikebaleka sikebona into ba hey ziyachisa ubaleka into ba uyongena into ba kule BMW uthi ubani uthi wathengena ngewindow uthi ndandimthela ngebullets. So xa kabala uthi about 5 or so. Hayi baba futhi kukhona apho khona ulele ngesisu nje umfana kacele esenza yonke lento akayenzayo ulele ngesisu nje. Uthi apha ekuleleni kwakhe kube khona no I think nobalekayo esiya phiphi uthi ambiza athi awuzuba protected apho ndoda buya nganeno. Uthi akabayekanga enze esibalisa ngesonke so story eso sebeyaphuma sebeyabaleka sebesi uthi futhi bathi sa phofu ke abafana abaya kuthi bebephethe ama AK47 nje. Okay. Then ke ngoku abezoniphazamisa khona umfana kacela hayi futhi ngathi nje akavali ncam nalo nabona aba abe defense ukubone khona lapho bekesenza khona i-cross examination uyabona nje into ba yabaphathelana kahle nje kulahlelana nje amagada kube khona lapho esithi khona xa kembuzo omnye into ba okay sixelele so uthi wena ke ngoku udubule bese kwathi kube khona apho kuchola khona eniphazamisile iphathi futhi ningayilibali. Kukhona apho kubonakala ingathi amapolisa ethu afika ingathi adobhadobhana ne-cartridges. Yanezela ixhandoba zidotshelwane ezi-cartridges ezi. Asithethi ngoba ke ngoku inoba safeguardiwe i-crime scene intoba sokubuild i-evidence. Hey bafethu uthi zawo wazibona zidotshwa. Ke ngoku ubhidana naye ke ngoku lona we-defense ngoba ezama ukumbuza intoba okay kwakuzezingabani ezi-cartridges ezi. Usengazazi bazeze kwakuzezingabani zazisuka phi. Undibene nayo umfana kacela sekasithi ayodoko eligayelwe mina endiyaziyo nje into bamapolisa afika dobhana nama-cartridges. Bafowethu uyabona ukuthi xa beyithetha ndathi hayi man ngiyimuvi nje le nto yime kusikho mos le. Yabona abantu babekulandawo bafowethu hayi bayibukela live imuvi. Uthi futhi yena umfana kacela usayikhumbula laa nto as though it was yesterday. Nzazifaka abafethu nje iviclips nyana zakhe nje ezimbalwa apho yethetha khona. Hayi bafowethu hayi futhi story sakho uyambona nje into ba uzimisele uba iyawuzala nkomoni bafethu asiyazi. So far singabe sisithi nje ngomnye womuntu obadlala indima end up abe usaphila uBra Joe Sibanyoni. Andiyazi noba uyazazi naye into yoba uyamkoloda nje udange. Hayi bafowethu hayi. Ngizaza phinde ndibuye nayo. Lela nje ngithe nje mandizonithi nje ka. Uba nje usibonise imovie. Njoba sibukela icourtroom nje thina. Hayi sizibhaqwa sibukela imovie mosithini. Umfana kaCele. Bethwel Cele. Hayi siyazi bafe seniyawuzibukelela kamnandi uthetha isizulu.
No manje abasadubula bebhekise ngakithi badubula bebhekise kwi-Golf R.
They were shooting, but they were not shooting at our direction. They were shooting at the Golf 7.
Ya badubule phihlizeke i-windscreen.
And then they shoot at the Golf 7 and they smash the window.
Amemezu Mazibuko wathi Cela ngeke sife ukhona uphethe isibhamu.
Then Mazibuko screamed at me and he said, uttered these words that, Cele, we can't die while you are in the position of a firearm.
Ngisidonsa.
Then I pulled out my firearm.
Ngisikhoke.
Then I cocked it.
Angishayi.
Then I fired some shots.
Hayi ngishayi mfana.
Yes, I fired some shots.
Ngingqongqoze kuphele 5 bullets.
Then I shoot 5 rounds of bullets.
Ngilunguze kancane.
Then I peeped a bit.
Basamile abafowethu.
They were standing there, my brothers.
Okay, lo oyi-1 ngibone ngathi mhlambe ngathi ushayekile kancane.
Then I can see that one of them has been injured a bit.
Gijimele emotweni.
When
Yena.
he ran into a motor vehicle, that person.
Ungena ngefastela manje ngiyamphusha ngamabullet.
Then he entered that motor vehicle through a window.
Ngiphinde ngibaphushe.
And at that time I was firing shots, or I was pushing him with bullets.
Ya ngimphushe.
I pushed him with bullets. Pushed him.
Oyi-1 udula ubhekise kulabafowethu laba belapha emotweni.
And the other one was shooting, but shooting at the occupants who were inside that motor vehicle.
Oyi-1 waba ngimazi ukuthi imuphi.
The one of them, I don't know who is that person.
Athi yifa nja.
Then he said, die you dog.
Aphinde adubule.
Then he started shooting again.
Then lo obekade lapha emotweni aphuma athi uyaphezulu.
And then the other one who was inside the motor vehicle, then he tried to get out of the motor vehicle. Then he went up to the robots.
Ngithi mina jika mawuyale uzofa le ngeke ukhona ukuvikeleka le.
Then I said to him, come back, because now when you are going that direction,
yeah,
you do not have any protection.
Yeah, ngisho ngidubula ngilele ngesisu.
Then I was shooting on a prone position, lying on my stomach.
Ya baphume lapho bahlakazeke laba belapha emotweni. Omunye ngimbone jumpile ku-bomb gate.
And the occupants who were inside that motor vehicle, then they come out of that motor vehicle and they ran scattered. And I saw the other one jumping the boom gate.
So, let me ask you, did the police, did you observe the police collecting your cartridges, your spent cartridges?
Ingaba ke kwesikhathi wabonile amaphoyisa mayedobha ke manje ama-cartridge awabo wesibhamsa.
Ngilalele kahle.
Listen to me very carefully.
Amaphoyisa afika acollecta ama-cartridges ukuthi ayikade edobha wami or ayidobha kabani akudokwa lidayelwe mina leyo.
Then what I'm saying is that the police officers arrived. And now they started picking up the cartridges. Whether they were picking my cartridges or whoever cartridges, I don't know. That's not my business.
Babucele Ndosi. Thini ndaba?
Mina ngicela ukubuza ku-ecourt. Kuyisona ngani mangizosebenzisa isiZulu nje bakhulume kahle ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma isiZulu. Mase ngikhuluma isiZulu futhi bayaxakeka abanye.
My Lord, I just want to ask court, because I elected to testify in a Zulu. I just want to know, is it a sin for me to elect to testify in a Zulu? Because I said it on the onset that I wanted to testify in Zulu. Now, when I'm testifying in Zulu, now people get lost.